Okay, good morning my dear children. How are you all? You've just finished with your PT1 exams and I hope you all must have answered your exams well. Okay students, today we will be doing literature poem The Magical Earth. It's written by Gulzar and it is translated by Pawan K. Verma. Gulzar usually writes green poems. Green poem means which is related to nature. Now in this poem we are going to study how the earth performs magic. Okay, as we walk into a garden, what strikes us? We see so many plants and trees around us. And what do we think when we look at them? We think that how does the earth sustain all these things? How does the earth carry all these things? Now in this poem, the poet is going to tell about this magic only. Now, there is something indeed in the earth of my garden. Is this earth magical? The earth knows how to do magic. Now the poet is saying that there is something magic in the earth of my garden. The earth knows how to do magic. If I sow a guava seed, it gives me guavas. If I put in a jamun kernel, it gives me jamuns. A bitter gourd for a bitter gourd, a lemon for a lemon. Now the poet is saying that if he sows means bona, when you put something in the ground. Now he's saying if I sow guava seeds, I get guavas in return. If I put a jamun kernel means the inner seed. Now he's saying if I put a jamun kernel, I get jamuns in return. And if I put bitter gourd means karela. Now if I put bitter gourd, I get bitter gourd in return. If I put lemon means nibu. If I put lemon, in return I am getting lemons. If I ask for a flower, it gives me pink flowers. Whatever color I give to it, it returns that to me. What has it hidden all these colors in the soil below? I dug a lot but found nothing. The earth knows how to do magic. Now the poet is saying that if I want red flowers, it gives me red flowers. If I want pink flowers, it gives me pink flowers. Whatever I plant, and that same color it is returning to me. So where is it hidden all these colors? Red, blue, pink and different colors of flowers. Now it is saying I try to dug means khodna. I try to dig a lot in the ground, but I could not find anything. So the earth knows magic. Where has it hidden all these things? The earth knows how to do magic. It shows so many tricks. When it balances these long coconut trees on its fingers, it does not even let them fall. The wind does its best, but the earth does not let them fumble. Now the poet is saying that how well it does the tricks. Even it can balance the tall coconut trees, the huge trees on its fingers, and it does not allow them to fall. Even the breeze, when there is heavy strong wind breeze blowing and the trees are trying to fall, but then also the earth is doing its best to hold it. A sharbat or milk or water, anything may fall. It absorbs them all. How much water does it drink? It gulps down whatever you give, be it from a jug or a bucket. Amazingly, its stomach never fills. I have heard that it can even hide a river inside. The earth knows how to do magic. Now the poet is saying that whatever falls, it gulps means everything, सब कुछ अपने अंदर ले लेना. It gulps everything down, whether from a bucket or a jug or anything. Whatever falls, everything absorbs in it. And he's also heard that the earth can hide a river in it. So the earth knows magic. Are there sugar godowns under the earth or rock of lime? How does the earth put sweetness into fruits? From where does it get all this? pomegranates, plums and mangoes. In all of them, sweetness, but different kinds. Now the poet is saying, is there go downs of sugar in the earth? How does the fruits get their sweetness? The pomegranate, the plums, the mangoes, all are sweet. And to magic, all have a different taste of sweetness, different type of sweetness. Some are very sweet, some are little sour. So it's saying that they are all sweet, but in different ways. The leaves tasteless, but the fruit sweet. The Mossambi sweet, the lemon sour. Undoubtedly, it knows magic. Otherwise, why is the bamboo tasteless and the sugarcane sweet? Now the poet is saying that undoubtedly it knows magic, because otherwise how is it possible that the fruits are sweet and the leaves are tasteless, and the Mossambi is sweet but the lemon is sour? So the earth knows magic. And how it is possible that the bamboo and the sugarcane, they both look almost the same, but then also sugarcane is sweet but the bamboo is tasteless? So through this poem, the poet is trying to tell us that we must take care of the nature. Whatever we give to the nature, it gives us back in return. With this, we have finished the chapter, the poem. And now students, in the WhatsApp group, I will be sending you all the summary of the poem as well as the question answers.